Welcome back, Crypto Crew. Your boy Tom here, bringing you the latest on what's cooking in the wild world of crypto. And we are really focusing in on Bitcoin. So if you're new to the squad, smash that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss out on anything. And head on over to X and follow us on X because we post all things crypto all day, every day, 24 hours a day. And the one thing I want to bring up right now is I think that on our X, we have a really cool little post over here because there's been an increase in search for recession. Now, whenever that happens, we're talking about the market, a big trap is being set. And I want to talk about that trap, whereas we talk about what shakeouts are. Shakeouts are primarily a market paradox at work. If you're not familiar with the term market paradox, it was coined way back in the 1930s, whereas the strong hands will sell off stock prices in order for the weak hands to sell to them at the best possible prices. And they also drive prices up to create a fear in the weak hands to basically sell to them. So the market paradox is basically the opposite of what's happening in the marketplace. And we think that's what's happening in Bitcoin right now. Shakeouts are a market paradox at work. You know, we've had a shakeout right here, but we're thinking that this marketplace is going to explode and really rally extensively up to 150,000. There are some people that are calling for 700,000 in Bitcoin. And man, would that be a wonderful thing. So let's start with the king right now with Bitcoin sitting around 84,000. It's been a roller coaster ride. You know, We've had we had a high of 90,000 earlier this month, but the bears came out swinging. That's the big boys basically creating that market paradox, driving the price down so that they can create a better opportunity for themselves to buy the coin. That's what we're thinking. Okay, do your own research, but that's what we're thinking. So they wiped out over $1 trillion from the crypto market in the last 30 days. Ouch, right? But here's the T. There's some serious action on the charts. Bitcoin is showing a bullish divergence on with the RSI. For my chart nerds out there, you know what that means. Price may be dipping and consolidating, but momentum is screaming buy. So if we look at Bitcoin here, we got the 3-day time frame right here. It's trapped in a broadening wedge pattern. Now, that old big megaphone shape, volatility spiking, and historically, these could break either way. And get this, it's following the same technical pattern. It's following the same technical pattern that we've seen in gold. I don't think anybody's compared this. We have an incredible technician, Frank, in our studio that really finds these things and just unbelievable. I mean, we're seeing right now what's happening in Bitcoin is actually following exactly what's happening in gold. Same technical pattern. Gold's been rocking that wedge too, consolidating before a big move to the all-time highs. And could Bitcoin be gearing up to shine like the digital gold it's meant to be? I'm leaning bullish, and this is one of the reasons why. Now, what's driving this? Well, we got, of course, the micro scene's a mess. Fear of global trade war. The tariffs are still in the market. BlackRock CEO coming up, say, hold up, inflation's not dead. It's spooking the markets. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs saw a massive 1.1 billion outflow on February 25th, one of the biggest ever. Sentiment of fear basically is starting to cool off right now. The market, is not as fearful as it was. So the marketplace is stabilizing. So, the Google searches for recession are ticking up, and we talked about that earlier. So usually what that means is exactly what we said. These are shakeouts, and the markets. The main. The public is generally always wrong. We've seen this before. Recession FUD can mark, a major reversal. So we have to add now. Goldman Sachs is dropping 1.5 billion on Bitcoin's ETFs, and Trump's strategic Bitcoin reserve. It's all green shoots here. So really, what I want to ask you guys is, please, what do you think? What's the next move, Crypto Crew? Is Bitcoin got that bullish divergence wedge set up, and gold vibes? 80,000's the line in the sand. Hold it. We could test the 90,000 soon with the breakout. So please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Head on over to X and make sure that you follow us there, because we talk about all things crypto all day, 24 hours a day. And remember, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.